Hi, in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to change the logo of your WordPress website, which is located at the header section. Let me show you how it will be done. Here is the dashboard of my admin panel, and I have to go to appearance, theme customization. In most of the themes, logo can be changed in the customize section. Here we go. Here you can see different options. Let's see the site identity, and here you can change the logo option. I am using my picture as a logo. You can change it. Let's suppose I'm going live to the library and searching logo here. It should be 248 and 248 pixels, and I am going to use some random picture from here, for example this one. And you can see that you have to crop it before using this logo. Crop it. You can see that my logo has changed. In the same way, most of the themes allow us to edit the logo from here in theme customization. After done, you have to publish the website. That's the end of today's discussion. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.